Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pool hose adapter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for maintaining your swimming pool, ensuring a seamless connection between your pump and filtration system, and this review will dive deep into what makes a particular adapter stand out from the rest, helping you make an informed decision for crystal clear water all season long. Number 5. Intex Type B Hose Adapters, Set of 2. Introducing the Intex Type B hose adapters, a convenient set of 2. These are designed to help you connect your Intex pool equipment seamlessly. These adapters are perfect for converting your Intex pool's 1.25-inch fittings to 1.5-inch fittings. Make your system compatible with ease. Planning to upgrade your Intex pump? These are essential when moving from a 1000 GPH pump to a 1500 GPH model or larger. For larger pump installations, you'll generally need 2 of these adapters to ensure a secure and proper connection. Get the most out of your setup. These are genuine Intex parts, identified by part numbers 10722 and 25009. Trust in the quality and compatibility for your pool system. What we like. This set is perfect for those looking to upgrade their pool pump. If you're moving from a smaller pump to a larger one, these are essential. They ensure a smooth transition, allowing your upgraded pump to work efficiently with your existing pool fittings. What people say. The adapter is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It connects the pool pump to the hose without any leaks. The material feels durable and should last for a long time. Number 4. US Pool Supply Hose Connector Coupling. Introducing the US Pool Supply Hose Connector Coupling. This durable plastic adapter is designed to simplify your pool maintenance. It seamlessly connects 2 1 to 1 4-inch hoses, 2 1 to 1 2-inch hoses, or even a mix of both sizes. Enjoy flexible connections for your pool equipment. This coupling is perfect for connecting your vacuum hoses, as well as your pool pump and filter hoses. It's suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools and spas. Need to connect a larger pump to a smaller pool? Use this connector to reduce a 1 to 1 2-inch hose down to a 1 to 1 4-inch hose, optimizing your setup. Crafted from durable plastic and measuring 4.75 inches long, it's built to last. Trust in its robust construction for all your pool needs. Backed by a trusted brand committed to your satisfaction, we ensure a hassle-free experience. Purchase yours today and enjoy peace of mind. What we like. If you need a flexible solution for connecting various pool hoses, this is a great choice. It's ideal for vacuum hoses, filter pump hoses, and even reducing larger hoses for smaller pumps. Its versatility makes it suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools. What people say. I use the 1 to 1 2 connection to connect 2 pool hoses together for a drainage line for my house sump pump. The connection was tight and secure. The coupling fits tightly to the hose and holds without leaks. The quality is good and the material feels durable. Item worked well and made good airtight connection. Number 3. US Pool Supply Universal Combo Hose Adapter 3-Pack. Introducing our Universal Combo Hose Adapters, designed to simplify your pool maintenance. These adapters offer versatile connections for your pool hoses. With standard threaded connections, they easily fit onto most above-ground pool pumps, filters, and skimmers. They also connect seamlessly with chlorine feeders and other essential pool equipment. These are compatible replacements for specific Hayward hose adapters, ensuring a proper fit. They work with many Hayward chlorine feeders and Pro Series sand filter pumps. Tired of hoses not fitting your pool equipment? These durable adapters are the solution. They ensure a secure connection between your pool hoses and filter pumps. For a secure fit, hose clamps may be needed depending on your hose type. Please note that hose clamps are sold separately. What we like. For those with specific equipment like Hayward pumps or filters, this offers a direct replacement solution. If you're experiencing hose compatibility issues with your existing pool equipment, these adapters are designed to solve that problem, ensuring a secure connection. What people say. Much better fit than the first set I ordered. Works great on my pool. Good quality. Great for building out my pool pump system when I did not have time to run to the lumberyard. Number 2. US Pool Supply Pool Hose Conversion Adapters. Tired of compatibility issues with your pool hoses? These adapters allow you to connect 40mm hoses to standard 1.25-inch or 1.5 filter pump ports. They ensure a perfect fit for various pool systems. Designed to be compatible with Intex, Hayward, and Coleman pool filter pump hose connectors. Easily connect different brands of pools and pumps. Installation is a breeze with these drop-in replacements. The included rubber O-rings ensure a secure, leak-proof seal for worry-free operation. Constructed from premium, break-resistant plastic, these adapters are built for durability and a long service life. Enjoy reliable performance season after season. US Pool Supply offers high-quality, affordable solutions for pool maintenance. Keep your pool in top condition without the need for expensive professional services. What we like. If you have 40mm hoses and need to connect them to standard 1.25 or 1.5 pool pump ports, this kit is for you. It's especially useful for bridging the gap between Intex pools and non-Intex filter pumps, providing a leak-proof seal with the included O-rings. What people say. These adapters did the job. I bought these to attach hoses from the Intex 18-foot X52 Ultra frame pool to a Doheny's 1.5 horsepower pump after the Intex pump started struggling to keep the water clear. Number 1. Intex Replacement Hose Adapter AW Collar. Easily convert your threaded hoses to clamp style with this essential adapter. It's designed to fit both 1.5 and 1.25-inch hoses for Intex pool sets. This is the A-Series adapter pair, model 25007. It ensures a secure and proper connection for your pool system. It fits all Intex filter pumps with capacities of 4,000, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,500 gallons per hour. This applies to pumps that use threaded hose connections. This adapter is also compatible with Intex chlorine generators and salt systems that feature threaded hose connections. Keep your pool running smoothly. As a genuine Intex OEM replacement part, it guarantees your pool remains safe and functions at its best. Trust in quality for your pool maintenance. What we like. This pair is the go-to if you have an Intex pool system with threaded hose connections. If you're looking to use clamp-style hoses or need a direct, reliable replacement for your Intex pump, salt system, or chlorine generator, this genuine part ensures optimal performance and safety. What people say. These connectors were the final parts one needed to complete my cowboy plunge pool. They worked perfectly to allow the pump hoses to screw together with the intake and output inlets. We used this adapter on the crystal clear sand filter pump, #26643EG, that came with our Intex 9-foot X18 Ultra XTR rectangular frame swimming pool. We needed to attach a drain backwash hose to the drain outlet on the pump. The pump side of the fitting fit perfectly. The two tiers on the hose clamp adapter side measure 1.53, which worked well with a 1.5 backwash hose, and 1.25. They arrived very fast and it was a simple plug and play. I was able to connect the filter pump made for 1.5-inch hoses to 1.25 hoses with no problem and got this working for our kids' pool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.